It's very nice, and you got people who stay and buy these little cabins. A little doggo. Nah, very nice. So
Bulgarian Black Sea.
this is no, guys, it's definitely not the Bulgarian Black Sea. This is just Batak Dam. It's very nice. Yeah, sorry. You got pockets made. Take a little video. Wow. Very cool little place. Wow. Little dog. Ooh. Oh. Nice and warm. Wow. That was a great intro, guys. That was a great intro. Okay, one more go, go then. Whee! First try, the crowd goes wild. There's Sebastian Fiji, Asam Jamal got and today, obviously, me and Joanna. Oh, clean. We are very close to Batak. What's the exact place? Pardon? Sigovchak. We are in close. We're in the nature actually. We're in the mountains, very close to the Batak Yazavir, and we're going to do a lot of things today. We're going to bike ride down to the Yazavir, or the dam. We're going to explore some nature, and we'll probably go mushroom picking with your family later, no?
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna be epic. So yeah, anyway guys, smooth. So right now we are leaving the hotel, and look at this nature, guys. Look how beautiful this is. The air is so fresh. It's very nice here. So you can see how beautiful it is. Just these huge trees everywhere. It's very nice, and you got people who stay and buy these little cabins. A little doggo. Nah, very nice. So we're gonna keep riding, and we'll catch you guys in a little bit when we're closer. Wow, amazing, very nice. Very beautiful place, very nice.
This is cool.
Yeah, oh, a nice view. You can see the mountains, the Rodopi mountains over there, guys. Oh, we made it to the beach. You got one? No. Oh, you can just. I don't think it'll balance. Just put it to the side. Wow, that was very cool. A very cool little bike ride. Awesome. And that we're not at the beach, no. We're in the Rodopi Mountains next to.
Bulgarian Black Sea.
This is no, guys. It's definitely not the Bulgarian Black Sea. This is just Batak Dam. Yeah, it's not the cleanest. You definitely can't swim in it, but can you fish in it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at a shoe.
I would love to take a... Right, that's interesting. I'd love to take a boat.
Yeah. We can come back one. Yeah, you can see these people in the background and all these guys getting on the boat. Wow, this is crazy. The air is ridiculously fresh. And what a wonderful little ride. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Really. It's very nice. Yeah, sorry. You got pockets made. Take a little video. Wow. Very cool little place. Wow. Little dog. Very good little ride. Beautiful location. Perfect place for a bike ride. My bag is a bit full. We bought a chopping board. Some honey. Thank you. There you go, guys. The Rhodope Mountains. As you can see, there's the little beach we were at. We've been going uphill, and Joanna's getting a good little workout. Amazing. Cars on this way, on the way back. So it's very nice, just incredibly beautiful homes everywhere. Yep. Look at that. Oh my god, there's people there. Imagine living there. That's ridiculous. Absolutely. Oh, we're going from behind, I think. Like, living here would be like a dream. That's a hotel. Oh, someone's making TikTok.
Oh my god, you need to be.
And the TikTok in nature. TikTok. Yeah. I don't know if you guys could see that, but someone was making a TikTok video. No, it's good. Hey. So we finished our bike ride, and now we're just gonna have a little bit of local rakia, and you got tarator and chicken soup, and there's the view. It's not a bad one. There's the Yazavir that we went to earlier, and the mountains. So yeah. Okay, guys, look what we got. Look what we got. When we were at that little mountain place, we got some honey. Which one is this? Bouquet. Bouquet. What does bouquet mean?
Bouquet.
Oh, a bouquet. Wow. Okay. And we got. What else did we get? And we got Borovmed. Yeah, we got Borovmed. I'll show you guys now. Wait, which one's bouquet and which one's... Oh, this is Borovmed.
This is bouquet, this is Borov.
Yeah, Borov, you see. So some nice mountain honey, along with the little rakia. And again, incredible view of the Rhodope. So yeah, guys, and if I. Yeah. Oh, this is very good.
And this big one.
This one.
Yeah.
Mountains there. Mountains there. Mountains everywhere. And the Yazavir, Batak Yazavir over there. Mastika. Little mum.
Hey, baby. Baby.
Oh, there's the puppies.
That's the dad, if you ask me.
Oh yeah, you can see the pishka. There's the dad. A very beautiful location. Just fresh air, fresh food, and rain. And rain for the
A
first.
little sweet escape from
The heat. Yeah, the heat of the city.
heat, yeah. Oh, this is quite rainy.
Is it? Oh wow. And we are coming up for our hotel.